Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can adjust large table in Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. So just simply open your Microsoft Word with that table. Now I have this a very or just like a large table, not very large and not very large, but just a large table. And as you can see, there are parts of it became hidden because of its size. Now, how can we adjust this to fit right here or to become at the center or to be at the center? Now, you just need to simply click on this arrow, four arrows. Click on that, make a right click, and then you have to select table properties. And here you will find this indent from left. So you can simply increase this as to how it will fit or until it will fit to the center. Okay. You can simply increase or decrease it. You just need to try. Now we have to click on OK. No, not yet. Right click, select table properties. Now let's increase this. And then we have to click on OK. Not yet. So we need to try again. Right click, table properties. Try again. And that's it. Now we have just adjusted the size of this table to be right here at the center. Another thing is that, so let me just quickly do it again. Like that. You just need to simply use these four arrows and then drag it to the center. That's it. That's the two easy tricks on how you can adjust a table size or the large table size in Microsoft Word. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.